video. So we're going to start with the E flat major scale. So I'm going to show it to you. These are the keys that you're allowed to have. So it's like the C major scale, except we start here. So I'll show you the notes again. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to start building up chords. We're going to start on C because that's where we're going to start. And we're going to build up a chord. Now triads are usually built of the first, the third, and the fifth. 1, so C, D is the second, D is the third. So 1, 3, 5. But we can't play that one because it's not in our scale. So I'm going to move it up to here. So if I want to play the C, I have to play that one. Let's move to the D now. Well, that's D major, but we can't play that one, so we can play that one, D minor. That works. Let's go to the next one. That one works. E flat major. We skip E, that's not in our scale, so we don't do that one. We go on to F, and we just play 1, 3, 5. They're all allowed. Then we go on to G. Oh, that's not allowed because that B isn't allowed. So we'll just minor that. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go up to A. Well, we don't actually use A, don't we now? We use the A flat. So let's create its triad. And that works out because look at that's in our scale as well. And we've only one left, which is the B. And that'll bring us down to here. Okay, so let's go through those chords again. We've got cool. That kind of sounds cool. Okay, now we're going to continue on with the trick, okay, because we have to show you a little bit more. The next part, so what we did so far is we learned the scale. Then we learned how to build chords based on the scale using triads, 1, 3, 5. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to invert those chords. So the first few, so as I can keep them all under one hand. So the first few are fine. C minor, that's fine. D minor is fine. E flat major is fine. We'll go up to F. F is going to be the first one I'm going to invert. I'm going to bring that down. So instead of playing this C, I'll do first inversion. Down to D. We go up to the G. I'm going to bring that D down, so that'll be G first inversion. We're up onto the A now. So that one is it. I'm actually going to invert second inversion. I'm going to invert both of these, bring them both down. And then we're up onto the B, and I'm just going to bring the whole B down. The whole thing. So everything now should be available to my hands. So let's try it again now with the inversions. Alright, so we've done the first inversions. One more time. There, that's normal, normal, normal. Then we've got F major, first inversion. Then we got G minor, first inversion. Then we got A flat major, second inversion. Then we got B and flat major, and we're just dropping it. I don't know if that's called a third inversion. We're just dropping a whole octave. Okay, so that's the third part of the trick, getting the inversions, figuring out the inversions. Now we're going to move on to the last and final part of the trick. Okay, so the last and final part of the trick is that I'm going to use inversions on this hand, right? So I'm going to use the F inversion and so the F inversion stuff, but on this hand, or maybe this hand, what I'll do is I'll just play the bass notes as they go up the scale. I won't invert these ones, so we'll always hear the bass where it should be. And let's just hear if we have some fun with that, alright? So here we go. So we're coming up to our first inversion now. Just keep on going, I presume you understand. So that's quite nice. You can do that with every single scale. So we started with the scale, then we built up to the chords in the scale, then we built up inversions of the chords in the scale. Sorry. I get confused. And then we started putting in bass notes on those conversions. That's it for this video. I hope that was of some use. Bye now. Try with another scale. Try with that one, and then try with another scale.